Today in our 8 Extraordinary Vessels class, we are going over the pathway of the Yin Motility Vessel or the Yin Heel Vessel, which runs along the inner pathway of our legs, is responsible for our sleep, restoration, internal balance, and harmony. So let's get started on all fours. Grabbing and padding if you need to for your knees, taking the knees nice and wide, wider than hip width apart. Hands nice and wide, spread the fingers. And then from here, taking a deep breath into the pelvis. And as you exhale, begin to paint a U and tilt the hips to one side and sink the weight back. Inhale, coming back to center with the pelvis, and exhale, tilting the pelvis to the other side, sinking back. Making sure you're lifting the pelvis up, the tailbone up, and then going back and forth as if you were painting a U shape with your tailbone and sinking back. And you'll feel this nice stretch, this nice opening and awareness in the inner seams of the legs. Begin to connect this with your breath. As you inhale, you sink back, breathing into any restrictions you might feel in the inner groin and the inner thighs. Exhale, coming to center. Inhale, breathing to the other side. And then we'll begin to add our chin with it. So as you inhale, you'll also begin to paint a nice big U with the heel of your chin opening up the sides of the neck, as if you were gently rocking yourself back into restoration, back into a sense of peace and calm. Feeling that stretch along the side of the throat. Deep inhale as you sink back. And this Yin Motility Vessel is responsible for introversion. So inviting yourself to go inward, feeling what's lengthening, what's creating space, what areas can you breathe more peace, more restoration into. Nice rocking side to side. One more time here. Inhale. Coming back to center, bringing the knees a little closer together. Hands are a little close together. And now from here, we will begin to sweep the hand up and back. And as we exhale, slide the hand through the gateway of the arm. Take the shoulder away from the ear. Place the ear onto the floor, and then with the other hand we sweep it up and back. Nice deep breath into the shoulder. Exhale, placing it down. Inhale, sweeping open. Exhale, taking that through the gateway of the arm, feeling into the twist of the spine, gently taking the shoulder and ear away that's on the floor. Inhale, other hand sweeps up and back. Beautiful, smooth, full deep breaths. Exhale again, observing the inner space. What areas feel tense and what areas can we allow to open with our breath with these movements? One more time on this side. Exhaling. Down, inhaling, coming up. Exhale, planting the hands down. Inhale, other hand opens, swimming the hands up and back. Exhale, placing the shoulder away from the ear, taking that hand up and back. Nice broad strokes as if your hands were a paintbrush. Seeing how much you can paint the space around you, and every time you place the cheek and the shoulder down onto the floor, making sure you have a nice distance between your ear and the top of your shoulder, creating space for the neck. Exhale, coming down. Inhale, coming up. From here, inhale, coming back onto all fours. Hands nice and wide and leading with the top of the head. Inhale, we dive down. Nice, long, and slide all the way down onto the belly. Press up and exhale as if you were a beautiful wave Hug the elbows outward, diving down. If that's too much for your shoulders, you can always bring the elbows together. And exhale, curl the tailbone under here, round the upper back, relax the head and neck. Inhale, leading with the top of the head, we dive down. Allowing the spine from the tips of the toes to the top of the head to be a beautiful wave, letting the belly drop all the way down. Curl the tailbone under, lift. Smooth, full breaths. Again, feeling this inner rocking motion as if your breath was a lullaby. Feeling a sense of rhythm within the waves of your body's expression, the waves of your breath. One last time here. Exhaling, round, sinking back, rolling up, coming to have a seat. Closing the eyes for a moment, observing the internal balance, the waves of your breath dancing like yin and yang, poles, feeling the sun and the moon within you, observing a sense of peace, softness, the deep inner restoration that allows us to have a nourishing sleep, that energy of the moon and the sun meeting. Very nice, and gently blinking the eyes open. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I'll see you on the next one.